Anybody ever see a setup like this? It's a Briggs & Stratton WI. Just let it focus in here. I've seen WIs, never seen it set up in this type of configuration with a air compressor. Appears to be all original. Doesn't have the carburetor, has the mixer bowl. Does have some compression. So I got to go through it. Look at the layers. Look at this. The layers of grime. So, alright, I'll be going through it. See what we got. The DeVilbiss Company, Toledo, Ohio. Looks like a bit of an unusual engine here. Yeah, kind of neat. I like it. Try to bring it back to life. It's got wheels on this little cart. See that? Something different to show everybody. See. I gotta clean all this up. Alright. That's it.